this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Thailand. This is Thai chef and their shrimp tom yum. So what you do is you take a pot of water or a bowl. I like to use a pot, then I can pour it in the bowl. And then you take the noodles. Yes, these noodles right here. Put them in the pot. And then you put the powder in as well. And then you put the, here, let's make sure you can see the debauchery. And then you can add in the liquid. And here comes the liquid. See, that I'll never understand. I really don't like the way these sachets are done. I'm not saying this particular company, but it's just like they just don't want to give it up, and that's like some of the best part of the whole thing. But there we are, and then we slap a lid on it. For 3 minutes. See if it gets all weird again. We're having some weird times with our timer, so that's a little depressing. I like this timer. This is the Renway timer. Time for our quote of the day. Number 38. Inspiration leads to invention. Tenacity is the breaking ground for inspiration. There can be no invention with the absence of tenacity. Okay. So, you know what I was thinking is kind of funny? Now, personally, I don't stink, but a lot of people do. People have like a lot of stink going on. I wonder how many YouTubers just freaking reek. I mean, just like, ooh, oh, yeah, I don't know, but it's very possible that some of your favorite YouTube personalities have a not so elegant bouquet. But how would you know? You know, I mean, a lot of the time these people are just like there doing their thing, and then wait, you meet them somewhere? That ain't happening. But there's like so many people I could think. I was just like, ooh, I bet that lady just freaking reeks, or that dude reeks, or yeah. Like the guy from Hot Ones where they eat the chicken wings. Like all the guests that he has come on use the bathroom there, and when they come out, they just like stink of like overload baby powder, or it like gets all over their shoe. Who knows? Who knows? I'm just making things up. What's her name? That Emmy lady. God, I can't stand her. Probably smells like of cigarettes. I bet you she chain smokes a lot. And Strictly Dumpling smells like potpourri. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? But it always is something funny, because when I was a kid, every once in a while we would have like famous people show up to class, you know, like the weather lady from the local news. She smelled so weird. Why? She smelled strange. Every person that I've met that's been a celebrity, I've met Tina Louise, Hoyt Axton, Nichelle Nichols, who played Uhura from Star Trek. Who else? Bruce Springsteen's sister. They've all smelled, I don't want to say bad, but different. Yeah, and I think, you know what it might be? It just might be all the makeup that they get put into. It might be like theatrical makeup. I don't know, but it's really, really, really weird. But the main one that got me was the lady from the local weather. And this is, granted, this is like 30 years ago. Don't try looking up who I'm like talking about. You'll never guess. I don't even think that station did the weather for very long. And because she smelled too bad. I don't know, but it was just a weird, weird deal. We have noodles. Aplenty. Whoa. Is it still going? It shows it's still going. It froze on my phone. Like, look. Yeah, camera off. Is it off? No, you're still recording. I'm gonna turn you off and back on. Okay, maybe that makes a difference. I don't know, but the children are in full weirdness out there in the living room. My fork isn't working very well today. I love the style of Thai noodles. I think they're absolutely wonderful. Thin and light. I'm thinking of calling some kind of agency to see if they don't like ice cream, but they like to do that. I like this one. Time for the broth. Brothy time. Oh, I know what they're doing out there. So there's this game, and it like, you can make these things and it'll record your voice and yeah. Pardon me. Oh. That's enough insanity. If you're too insane, it'll stick to your head. Yeah, it will. We'll get stuck in Insano land. Well, they are having fun. I guess I should allow them to have fun. Stop having fun! There's some shrimp, 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 shrimp for the tom yum. Ooh. Oh, come on. I ordered the extra hand, jeez. 2 hands today. That's enough, Miles. Far too verbal. Stop with the word face. Too much word face. Stop it! Stop it! Oh, I want this to go this direction or it'll look stupid. There we go. Let's go with some.
The paper.
And sesame seeds. And yeah, I think we're good. Ding 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 ding. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what that music means. We're almost done here, but tomorrow we'll have something that descends from the heavens. The Nissen Rao Tantan Min. You'll like it.